This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life.
Hello, everybody. We are about to prepare, or we are preparing for a hurricane that's coming, Hurricane Dorian. Not Hurricane Durian, but Hurricane Dorian. Wouldn't that be great if it was Hurricane Durian, just a whole bunch of durians? That'd be quite dangerous. This is so big and spiky. But this is a serious hurricane. This is one of the strongest hurricanes to ever, in the history of hurricanes, to hit the tropics. It's a Category 5. We don't know yet if we're going to get hit or not, but we're preparing. As you see behind me, all these trees. I don't know what's going to happen to the trees, but my life is more important than the trees. And, you know, even my house, it's my shelter, but still, my life is more important than that. And we're just preparing, we're picking things up, getting things ready. But I wanted to make this video today. I wanted to show you about the food, what we have prepared, because we are expected to lose power. That's almost a surety when it comes to situations like this. Whenever the wind gets a little high, we lose power, let alone a powerful storm like this. So let me show you what I have in my fridge and what we're prepared to. We do have some things left in the freezer that are left from previous times, and so we weren't able to eat everything. So the hurricane's coming on Tuesday, so we still have 2 days to do this. Now, I eat mostly raw vegan. My whole family eats vegan, but several people in the household do eat cooked food more often than raw. So let's swing around here and show you the preparation here. I have frozen blueberries and frozen bananas. This is for smoothies, and we'll have to use those up because we are going to lose power. I bought this last night just to calm the nerves of everybody. Some ice cream sandwiches. They're vegan ice cream sandwiches. I am not partaking in those, but everyone is glad to have them here. I just made some bags of water, which will freeze for ice if we need to in a cooler. And then we have frozen Amy's Pizza and some burritos. These are some options. And the good thing is I do have a gas stove. I don't have an electric stove, so that is a good thing. Coming over to my refrigerator. This is what we have here. We got way more food than we're going to need. We're going to have to eat up some food. We got some grains back there. We have some celery. We had a soup left over. We have some candy cotton grapes, some orange juice, and a bunch of stuff. I plan on making a good amount of green juices today and stocking them with vacuum sealing them and trying to keep them cold, as cold as I can. And then we have some vegan cheese. I can make the children some grilled cheese if I have to. We got some sauerkraut for some salads, and we do have some salad greens that I'll probably be using right after I make this video, making a green drink. And then over here we have some more fresh bananas. And some healthy bread from a bakery and some chips there for the girls. And we have some oranges up here. We have some tomatoes up here. I just pulled this off the tree. We have a lot of star fruit and avocados on a tree right now. These bananas I just pulled off the tree. But let me show you. In preparation for this hurricane, I wanted to get as many fruit off the tree as possible. This is a whole bag of avocados, and then there's another bag of avocados. So somebody's going to be eating guacamole in the next couple of days here. And then we have another bag of different avocados, and we have a bag of star fruit. And then we have some more mangoes. Now, a lot of these are freshly picked off the local trees. So let's take a look out here at the front. And the calm before the storm. Everything's pretty much packed up for the most part. As you can see, the house is boarded up. And these are my trees, and hopefully they'll be here. That's an avocado tree. I didn't get the avocados off that tree, but that's an avocado tree. My miracle fruit tree, my sapodilla, my star fruit tree, my lang lang, which I already cut in half, so hopefully it won't blow down. But I was going to cut it anyway. I got a bunch of coconut trees, and that's a jackfruit tree. I got a bunch of trees here, but I'm remaining as calm as I can, but you know, I'm pretty calm. I'm excited. I'm excited not for this hurricane, for just life in general, and just preparing is key here. We're all prepared, and I'm not thrilled or excited about the hurricane by any means. But let me show you this here. There's a good chance I'm gonna lose some banana trees. And there's some bananas that just started to grow on that tree. As you can see, it's already getting a little windy, and that's totally not going to be in a good situation. I have another avocado tree here, mamey, mango, rose apple, and a white sapote. I don't know how these are going to fare out and if we're going to still have them in a couple of days, but all I do know is we're going to just be fine. We're going to be fine. And so I wanted to give you an idea of what we eat preparing for the hurricane. And a lot of fruits and vegetables and green juices. And even fasting might be a good thing to do as the actual event is coming. All right? Put your comments, question below. Thank you for your prayers and have a great day. And we'll talk to you soon.
This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life. Brighten up your life. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life. Brighten up your life.